In this video, we will be creating our first Java project on NetBeans. So, first of all, you have to install NetBeans. If you have not installed NetBeans, then I have a video where you can download and install NetBeans for your Windows for Windows 10. So, I will put that in the description and on the I button that appears in the screen, top right corner of your screen. So, if you have successfully installed NetBeans, then open NetBeans and just wait for some times for it to be opened. And for this video tutorial, we will be creating our first project using Java, using NetBeans, and this will be our GUI project, which is graphical user interface. Now, after opening NetBeans, go to File, click on New Project, or you can also type Ctrl+Shift+N, it's the shortcut. Then you have to click under Categories, click Java, under Projects, click Java Application, and click Next. Then you have to name your application. Now, let me select a name. Let me name it My First Application, or let me simply type My First Java Project. So after that, you can choose a default location for your project, or you can choose a custom location. So let me choose a location. So this will be the location for my project. It's better to untick this create main class, as we will be creating our class when we compile the project. So let's untick this and click finish, and this window will appear. And under this window, go to source packages and right click on source packages, go to new, create a new folder, name it as classes, and click finish. Then here new folder will be created. Then right click on this folder, create new jform. Now name this as anything you like. I will name it My First Java Program, and now click finish. Then here a jform will be created. Now you can adjust the scale of the jform by dragging it with the mouse. Let me maximize it. Now for our first application, we will just make a button to print hello world. So let's do this. First of all, let's decorate our jform. Let's drag and drop this label and give this label a name, something like My First Hello World. And now let's change its font size and make it bold. Let's adjust this. Let's make it here. I think this is fine. Now let's drag a button and let's rename this button as print. Let's duplicate this button by pressing Ctrl D. Let's make this button clear. Now let's add another J level, and it should be something like right here. Let's duplicate it, and it will be something like output. Let's make them both bold. Sorry, bold, and increase the font a little bit. Now let's drag our text field and maximize a bit, and let's edit the text, duplicate it. Now let's make this editable off so we cannot write. Now let's change the variable name to text output. Let's make this text input. Press OK. So basically now we are ready to write some code. Let's write some code. So for our code, let's go write code, but before that I think we made small mistake here, so we have to make it editable and this as not editable, and let's change the variable name to txt input 1 and txt output. Let's rename this and make it txt input only. Okay, now we are basically ready to code, so let's code for clear first. Now to write the code for a button or anything to make it functionable, then you have to do is either you can double click the button or right click, go to events, action, and action performed, and here is the code. So let's write this code once again. It will be txt input dot set text null, null. Same for the output, txt output dot set text null, and let's do for print as well. Sorry for that. So basically for print, let's assign a string which will be your text, and for this string we have to get the value from input, so we will write txt input dot get text, and for the txt output we have to display the result that is written in the input text field. So for that we just have to write txt output dot set text, same as your text, so your text. So this is basically it. So let's save this and hit run. You can run this by this little triangle, green triangle button right here. So let's write this hello YouTube. Let's print this, so it's hello YouTube, it's written here. See, we cannot edit this, but we can definitely edit this. So let's write hello world. Let's print, so the same is written here. Now the function, to check the function of clear, we just have to press clear, and yes, it's working. So that's basically it, guys. Hope you like this tutorial, hope you enjoyed the video. I will make sure to put more video contents relating to programming and Java and NetBeans and other stuffs related to technology and technical stuffs, programming and other stuffs. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification, hit the like button, and please share this video with your friends. If you find this useful, please share it on your social media platforms, and please do like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice time. Sorry for that. Hope you have a nice time, and happy programming.